I'm going to go into a mission to my friend's blacksmith workshop. I brought a drill press off him. This is my little Westlake. I'm buying this old machine off him, which looks heaps better. Because this is really flexible. Like, flexes in here. Yeah, and yeah, I bought this when I was 17. Ooh. Where's my keys? Jump in the old Volvo. Yeah, this thing you gotta hot wire it to get it going. The ignition works. Just gotta connect that up. Come on. There it goes. We don't have an alternator though for some reason. Oh, there we go. For some reason this really big bird came and did massive shits all over my car the other night. Here we go, we're here. We'll just go and grab it. This is his shop. There it is. It's on an old cream stand. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I've got it off its stand now. Ready to chuck in the car. There's an old Denby automatic feed. Oh, I see your nasal by... How do you pronounce that?
Lobdell.
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 Mm. Remember Big Betty?
Yeah. Big Betty lives in front of rain now.
Oh yeah, it's like Tiny Betty now.
Yeah. Big Betty made some money though.
Yeah.
Over the years.
You converted this to a foot throttle, eh?
Yeah. Well, they you could buy them factory with a foot pedal.
Yeah.
Or without, I think it was, but it never had one. I always used to drive it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's his coal forge. I think that's an all days forge. All days and onions. This is a Massey slide hammer. 3 kilowatt. He's got it for sale for 10 grand at the moment. It works really nicely. I think he's put new gland seals in it too. It's quite a big thing. But then over here there's a Pilkington. There's a 3 kilowatt Pilkington. It's quite a nice hammer. It's got a big muffler on it. I think he sold those, but the guy hasn't picked it up and it's been many... Yep, got all that stuff in the car now. I've got a bacon and egg pie. I'm going to head home and put it together. Yeah, I got it back in my workshop now. I had to wipe a bit of the dust off it to put it in my wagon, but yeah, it's plugged in. The light's working, which is good. See if it runs. Yeah, it works. That switch is pretty cool. So now I've just put it back on its stand and I'll put it in place of the China drill press. I'm going to put wooden feet on the cream stand so it's not directly on the dirt. Even though my dirt's oiled. Just stop them rotting out. Is that in the centre there? All of my fasteners are recycled. I don't have money to buy that stuff. The joys of a dirt floor. So going to sit level. You stand there. It'll pack down. Okay, here we go. Bend your knees. Can we lift it without hurting? Bloody heavy. Oh, there's no way I can do that. I'll see if I can get the chain block onto it. I think if I put it like this, chop it up. Then I can get that bolt in from here. Just put some grease on threads. Oh, that's full of dirt now. It'll be so much easier to couple of people. Now that's almost too high. There we go, the base is bolted on. So lift it up this way. Still heavy. There we go. It's got that nice cast iron switch. I'll give it a shot of grease. I can see another grease nipple here. Yeah, give it heaps. I now have 5 drill presses. Got the big one here, the new one over there, I think the Champion one. Was that Champion or Buffalo? That one there, and this unknown one here. And then I'll ring up my mate and see if he wants this one. He doesn't have one. I think he'll like it. I'll give him a call now. I got this thing. I thought it was an on-off switch, but it says it's a starter for a 3-phase motor or something. I'm not 100% sure